Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to adjust the screen size and the picture on your Nintendo Switch when it's displaying on your TV. So let's go ahead, jump into the video right now. Sometimes when you're playing your Nintendo Switch and it's on your TV, it may look kind of weird where it's stretched out and the screen doesn't show up and fit very well. Well, there's two different ways you can fix this. One, by going on the Nintendo Switch settings, then also on your TV's menus. So let's start on the Nintendo Switch. Let's go to the home screen here, and then let's go down over to settings. Alright, so let's select settings right here, system settings. Now let's scroll on down on the left side until we get to TV settings. Then go to the right and go to adjust screen size right here. And select this option. Now you want to make sure these arrows are at the edge of the screen. So this is 80% and this is 100%. As you can see, the arrows, you can't see the top of them. So for me, about 96% is perfect. These arrows are exactly in the corners of the screen. Now let's go ahead and press OK. So I adjusted the screen size through the in-game options just on the system. Now let's go ahead and go to menu on my TV and select this. Then go down over to the right and scroll on down under picture until we get to the option for screen adjustments. So I went to the first option just under picture. I scroll down, go to maybe advanced settings on your TV, but for me I have screen adjustments. So let's go here. Then let's go to picture size. And these are all the different picture sizes I have. So this is Smart View 1, and I am on a Samsung TV. Screen fit is not quite there yet. You can see the black bars on the top and the bottom. 4x3, there's a lot of bars on the side. Now, wide fit, still I can see this is cutting off over here. 16:9 is probably the best option I have for everything looking very good. Screen fit is almost there, but not quite. So go through here on your TV and then on your system as well, and just find something that fits very well where it's not cutting off everything on the sides and the screen. And when you game, you can actually see your user interface, all your different graphics on the side here and up above, your mini map, etc. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.